Dear students, welcome. Identity presented by Shoshidananda Goldar, Assistant Teacher, Loud of Badamtola Secondary School, Dakop Khulna. Class 6, Subject English for today, Lesson 27. Now, I will show some picture and you will think about them. Dear learner friends, look at the slide. Who is the person on the picture? Do you know him? What is he? He is Motiur Rahman and our freedom fighter. Look at the picture. What can you see on the picture? Say about him. Okay, student. His name is Fakir Alamgir. He is Bangladeshi famous singer and freedom fighter. What is doing this picture person? I think he is doing a singing a song. Is he a Bangladeshi? No, he is not a Bangladeshi. Uh, did he come to Bangladesh to take part the liberation war? No, he did not come to Bangladesh to take part the liberation war. What is he and his name? His name is George Harrison. He is a famous singer and a freedom fighter. Dear students, now let's go and see this video and enjoy it.
I'd just like to say before we start off with the concert to thank you all for coming here. Look at you all, see the love that's sleeping.
Mr. Harrison, with all of the enormous problems in the world, how did you happen to choose this one?
Because I was asked by a friend if I'd help, that's all.
War was going on between Pakistan and Eastern Pakistan. It was then known. That's where I belong to. And all the women and children suffering and all that made me feel very concerned. And George immediately felt that he would help.
Like to bring on a friend of us all, Mr. Bob Dylan.
The most memorable thing really was the fact that it came off and that it worked.
It is a great thing that can be done, and it was the first of its kind which set an example.
Immense success artistically, and again I use the word spiritually because he decided he would use this great ability he had for another reason.
There was a lot of kids and just general public who, having had the inspiration, all started collecting money and were banging on UNICEF doors saying, what can we do to help?
These things will always be remembered as times that we could be proud of being musicians, We actually just weren't thinking of ourselves for 5 minutes. We were doing something for a bigger issue. And we need that.
I really want to see you.
Text friend to UNICEF to give $10 to the George Harrison Fund for UNICEF. Message and data rates apply. Or visit theconcertforbangladesh.com to donate and learn more.
Dear students, what did you see on this video? Everybody guess. So today lesson is the concert for Bangladesh. Learning outcomes. Dear students, after finishing the lesson, you will able to know, read and understand the text, ask and answer questions, participate in short dialogues and conversations on the familiar topics. At first, listen to me. Then discuss in pair if the following statements are true or false. If false, give the correct statement. His name is George Harrison. He is a famous singer and humanist from England. That's a huge story. He helped us during our liberation war of 1971 by organizing the Concert for Bangladesh. The Concert for Bangladesh was held on the 1st August 1971 at the Madison Square Garden, New York. George Harrison and some other famous musicians performed in about 40,000 people. So, he is also a freedom fighter of Bangladesh. Now, you will do pair work. You will get only 5 minutes for the pair works. George Harrison was from the United States. False. Correct answer. George Harrison was from the England. Number B. In 1971, George Harrison visited Bangladesh to take part in the liberation war. False. Right answer. George Harrison does not visited Bangladesh to take part in the liberation war. Number 3. A huge audience attended the concert for Bangladesh. True. Number 4. George Harrison was the only well-known musician to take part in the concert for Bangladesh. True. The people of the world became aware of the crisis in Bangladesh following the concert for Bangladesh. It is true. Vocabulary. What can you see on the picture? We can see an old woman is feeding a hunger baby. So that we can call humanities. Humanities means person who shows sympathy and kindness towards others. Using the word humanities, the new sentence is made. Mother Teresa was a famous humanitarian. Concert. Try to say the meaning of the following word and make sentence. We can see a person singing a song. We can call concert. Concert means a performance of music and singing. Make sentence. George Harrison and some other musicians performed the concert. Audience. We can see many people gather here. We can call audience. Audience means the people who sit and watch a perform. Make sentence. The audience enjoying the concert. Now I will do individual work. You will get only 7 minutes. At first, read the text carefully and put a word in the gaps from the box, matching their meanings. Box word: struggle, organize, take part, or relieve. To be involved. Number A, to be involved in an activity. Similar word: take part. Having knowledge of a particular thing. Similar word: aware. Number D, help, relief. Number C, to fight, struggle. Last number, to make arrangement, organize. Dear learner friends, everybody think about it and try to write this paragraph using the following clues. You will get only 10 minutes for group works. Paragraph: the concert for Bangladesh. Clues: its organizer, reason behind it, its aim, its effect, its significant, its clue. You will write, use this clue. Dear students, now match the answers with me. George Harrison organized the concert for Bangladesh on the 1st August in 1971 at the Madison Square Garden, New York. It's a huge story behind it. He wanted to help the suffering people of the Bangladesh during the Liberation War of 1971. For this reason, he collected some money through the concert and gave it to the UNICEF. So, watching the concert, all people of the world awarded and came to help to the Bangladesh. He isn't a Bangladeshi, but he is a freedom fighter. We should remember those great friends who helped us in our struggle and suffering days. It is my answer. Dear learner friends, I have discussed a lot about this topic. Now I shall ask some questions on this topic and you will try to answer. Question A. What is the first line of the song? B. Who is the singer of the song? C. Where did you hear the song first? Last number. How do you feel when you listen to this song? Match the questions with my answer. Number A. What is the first line of the song? Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Who is the singer of the song? George Harrison. Where did you hear the song first? On the TV screen. How do you feel when you listen to this song? When I listen to this song, I feel excited. Dear students, our class is about to finish. Now I shall give a home task. Everybody will write down it. Home task is take a interview of a local freedom fighter. It's a home task. No more today. See you again. Thanks all.